Assalamualaikum boys and girls, and in this video I will be telling you guys about the best low end PC setting for OBS to record gameplay. I have seen many videos on YouTube telling about low end PC settings, but they have freaking 3080 or AMD 97 6700 XT. How they know like what's the best setting for a low end PC? So in this video I will be telling you guys the best low end setting because I have i7 6 and RX 580 graphics card. That's considered a low end PC. So let's just continue and go to the PC screen. So now we are on the PC screen. Let's first go to our setting and go to advanced. Now we have to change this to this will be on normal. You have to put this on above normal or high. Don't change anything on here. Now let's go to, let's see, if you want to change appearance like this, like I have red and blue type thing, you can change this to Yami and then Rashni. And font sizes, the main thing is this thing, output. You have to click on this output mode to advance. Click on this and then it will say simple or advanced. You have to click on advanced, then go to recording, and then first of all you have this thing wherever you want to store your file. Then second, store it as mkv. You are in the middle of recording and your PC suddenly shut down, the mkv will save your video file. If it's on mp4 or any, I believe, other, it will corrupt your video recording file. And next you have to click on this video encoder, and if you have an NVIDIA card, click on this and change it to NVIDIA H.264 AVC. I have a RX 580 AMD card. I will change it to this AMD HW H264. This is the best for AMD cards. And don't change anything on this if you want. Okay, so in this setting, if you want to record your gameplay audio and your mic audio differently, you can select this. One will be your gameplay audio and two will be your voice, your audio setting. How will you set it up? You have to go to this thing like this setting thing. Okay, so for gameplay we will untick one because it will not record our gameplay voice on the first track, and our mic we will untick the second, so it will not record on our second track. This will show like this. I will show you. For example, if I pause it and then right click it, go to audio and then go to audio track, you can see track 1 will be my mic audio and track 2 will be my gameplay audio. Then this is the main thing, encoder setting. Change this to CQP, and then the CQ level I guess will be 18 or 20 by default. Change it between 16 to 17. Change between these two. If this number is low, your video file size will increase massively. Like if it's on 15 or 16, your 30 minutes video, 40 minutes video will be around 40 GB, 30 GB, like this. The lower it is, the more file size it's gonna take and the more quality it will have. As you guys can see in this, I have recording tab, recorded videos tab. These two videos are about like 1.5 hours long, and as you guys can see, it's 45 GBs. So just keep in mind, you have to have like some space for it. And then keep the keyframe interval to 2 seconds, then quality preset to quality, and then profile to high. No need to change anything else. If you have a 1080p monitor or a 720p monitor, you can choose this 1920 by 1080. It's like a default gaming or default YouTube size 1080p. This is perfect for you, and FPS 60. Okay, so that was it for OBS low and PC setting. As you guys can see, this is not like a rocket science. This is not like a 10-minute, 20-minute, 30 minutes video just explaining what it is. I have just shown you what is the best low and PC setting for OBS. So I'll meet you in the next one. Till then, peace.